In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your website using Wix, utilizing manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com for optimal performance. First, you'll want to go to wix.com and log into your account. Logging in ensures you have access to all the features you need to enhance your web management experience. Once you're logged in, head over to your site's dashboard and click on the option to edit your site. This will take you to the Wix editor, where you can make comprehensive adjustments to your site's design and functionality. A critical aspect of maintaining a seamless website experience is optimizing your images. Large images can drastically slow down your site, so it's beneficial to compress them before uploading. You can use tools like TinyPNG for this purpose. Remember, Wix does some of the heavy lifting with image compression, but starting with smaller files always helps. When it comes to image formats, use JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics to strike a balance between quality and speed. Next, consider using a fast, lightweight template for your website. Some templates are heavier due to animations, slideshows, and other built-in features which can weigh down your site's speed. If speed is critical for your audience, opting for minimalist template types could significantly enhance your site's loading time and overall user experience. Equally important is limiting the number of apps you have on your site. Each app you add can increase loading time, so take a moment to remove any unused apps or widgets that are no longer serving a purpose. This simple action can immediately improve your website's performance. While animations and effects can add visual appeal, they can also slow down your site. Use them sparingly and only in areas where they offer significant value. It's a balancing act between aesthetics and performance, so be mindful of their impact on page load speeds. Simplifying your pages is another straightforward strategy. Aim to keep each page focused and free of clutter. Limit the use of animations, parallax effects, and background videos, as these elements can contribute to longer load times. Additionally, reducing the number of sections on each page will make for a cleaner, faster loading site. Leverage Wix's built-in caching to improve your site's responsiveness. Wix automatically caches your pages, but make sure you update your site regularly to maximize these benefits. For content that's frequently updated, consider using dynamic pages to avoid unnecessary reloads. Don't overlook optimizing your fonts. Standard web fonts are an excellent choice to ensure quick loading times. Limit the number of font families and styles you use on each page to further minimize load times. Finally, it's crucial to test and monitor your website's speed regularly. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom to measure your site's performance. These tools provide specific recommendations for optimization, such as removing render blocking scripts or further optimizing images, ensuring your site remains fast and user-friendly. With these strategies in place, you'll be well equipped to manage your Wix website effectively, offering an engaging and efficient experience for your visitors.